Welcome to this short video where we will show you how simple it is to send a WhatsApp message with Oracle Responsys. Once you've installed and configured InfoBip WhatsApp messaging app, you can create a program and send your first WhatsApp message. Here, we have a test program which we need to configure. It's completely up to you how your end users will enter the flow, but today we will use filter we've created previously. In this filter, we are sending a message to our customers in Canada, which opted to receive information via WhatsApp. After choosing the entry point, we need to configure the app. Right-click on the apps and choose Properties, after which choose InfoBip WhatsApp Messaging Application. Now that you've chosen which app to use, you have to configure it. A user interface will open where you will be prompted to fill out the necessary settings. If you have multiple senders on your InfoBip account, those will be listed in the drop-down menu, but in this case, we only have one active sender. Once you choose the sender, you need to decide which message to send. Currently, InfoBip WhatsApp messaging only supports sending template messages, which have to be registered and approved by WhatsApp itself. Templates can be textual or with media like messages, videos, documents, buttons, and more. Let's take a look at the media templates for a moment. We have several examples like action buttons, which can lead customers to websites or initiate a call directly from WhatsApp. Some templates will have placeholders, which need to be populated before the message is sent. If we're sending a payment update, we are prompted to enter the document's URL and customer's name. In case we're using textual templates, configuration is much simpler. For example, let's take oncost_welcome_to_family template with 3 placeholders. Placeholders are populated with the information from profile lists and profile extension tables, or can be defined directly in the interface. In this case, the first 2 placeholders are pulled for each end user, while the last one will be the same for everyone, so it's easier to define it directly in the interface. In the end, we have the option to choose a parameter into which the last message status will be stored. This parameter needs to be defined in Settings under Tracking and Variables. After you've configured the variable, you can go back to the app configuration. If you choose to store the last message status, an additional option to define the timeout will appear. With last message status, you can create failover campaigns with the data switch if the message was undelivered or unseen by your customers, or you can simply store it in the profile list or extension table with set data. You're good to go. What's left is to validate your program and publish it. After you publish the program, you can track its progress in the Analyze tab. If you have more questions, please check Infobip docs, which are linked on the Oracle Marketplace, or simply go to infobip.com/docs/integrations/Oracle-Responsys.